Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Gaya Pratama. I am from the Technocrat Indonesian University, Faculty of Economic and Business, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about basic taxation. Meaning of tax. Tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owed by individuals or bodies is mandatory based on law, without direct compensation, and is used for the greatest possible state needs for the prosperity of the people. According to Prof. Dr. Ahmad Sumitro, tax are compulsory contribution from the people to the state treasury without direct reciprocal service used to finance general expense. Element taxation is a mandatory contribution from the people to the state based on law, compulsory, no direct compensation used for public interest or development. Function taxation, budgetary function, source of state revenue, regulatory function, regulates economic activities and societal behavior. Stability function, maintains inflation and price stability. Redistribution function, equalize income distribution. Example, cigarette tax. Regulatory function, full subsidies from tax redistribution function. Foundation taxation, domicile principle, tax are levied based on residence, source principle, tax are levied based on the source of income, nationality principle, tax are levied based on citizenship, principle according to Adam Smith, justice, certainty, efficiency, and convenience. Tax and classification taxation. By classification, direct tax, income tax, land and building tax, indirect tax, VAT, import duty. By nature, subjective tax taking into account the taxpayer circumstance, for example, income tax. Objective tax based on the object, for example, VAT, land and building. 3. By collection institution, central tax, income tax, VAT, import duty, excise, regional tax, vehicle tax, hotel tax, restaurant tax. Verdicts taxation. Material tax law regulates the subject, object, rate, and timing of taxation and its elimination. Formal tax law regulates the procedures for implementation, administration, audits, taxpayer rights and obligations, and approval appeals. Tax collection theory. Bearing power theory, tax are based on ability to pay. Interest theory, tax are paid based on the interest protected by the state. Insurance theory, tax are like insurance premium that guarantee protection by the state. Devotion theory, tax are a form of citizen devotion to the state. Tax collection system. Official assessment system. The tax amount is calculated by the government self-assessment system. Taxpayer calculate, pay, and report their own tax. Withholding system. A third party withholds or remits taxes. Tax right and obligation. Taxpayer rights. Obtain a taxpayer identification number or NPWP. Obtain tax service and information. Apply for restitution, penalty reduction, taxpayer obligation. Register for a taxpayer identification number, calculate, pay, and report tax on time. Tax benefit, financial national development, financing education and healthcare, paying salaries to civil servant and official, providing subsidies and social assistance. Taxation problems, low taxpayer compliance, existence of tax avoidance and evasion practice, complex regulation that are difficult to understand, limited oversight by the government. Tax reform and digitalization effort, early tax education and outreach, simplifying regulation, modernizing the tax system, enabling a tax, enforcement, and strict sanction for violators. Conclusion. Tax are the primary source of state revenue used to finance development and public welfare. By understanding the elements, types, system, and laws of tax. It is hoped that taxpayers can exercise their right and obligation in a balanced manner. Awareness of paying tax is not only a form of legal compliance, but also a tangible manifestation of participation in supporting national development. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.